Got a next-gen Ranger, an Everest, or any other modern vehicle with no easy way or nowhere to mount switches? Today's vehicles give you no switch blanks, no space, and no good options when it comes to mounting switches for lights and other vehicle accessories. Adding bulky switch panels? Ugly. Cutting into your dash? Forget it. You don't want to do that to your vehicle, and neither do we. That's why we're ditching the physical switch altogether. We've come up with a smarter way to do switches, the Projecta Intelli-IQ system. When paired up with our 2-inch smart display, our single-channel and multi-channel smart relays turn any connected device into a smart device. And Bluetooth pairing your 2-inch smart display to your phone means you can access full control of your accessories from the app, or even better, straight from your factory head unit using Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Driving lights, work lamps, air compressors, all your accessories, all right there on the display you already use every day. No drilling, no clutter. And when you're parked, fire your accessories up from your phone using the Intelli-IQ app. Perfect for setup, pack down, worksite and campsite use. The smart relays talk to the smart display. The smart display talks to the phone app. The phone app talks to the head unit. And all three can control your accessories. Your dash stays clean, your wiring stays simple, everything looks and feels like it came that way from the factory. And whether you're in the driver's seat or outside the car, you've got complete control at your fingertips. Auto elects and installers will appreciate the difference. With just a single communication wire between the smart relays and the 2-inch smart display, installs are faster, cleaner, and far more reliable. No messy looms, no extra holes, fewer failure points, period. Our smart switching system doesn't just replace old school switches, it redefines how accessories integrate with modern vehicles. Smarter, cleaner, ready for today's vehicles and the future. It's time to ditch the switch with Projecta Intelli-IQ.